Good morning. How are you? Welcome to our room. I'm Sarah with MacLeod of the house. And I've got my lovely Angie right behind the camera.
Howdy, howdy.
We're staying at my favorite all-star resort, which is All-Star Music. And we have this beautiful room, which if you see, there's only one bed. Now, if you needed a room with two beds, you'd get the same room because this one, it has another bed in it. Can you guess where the other bed is? If you've stayed here before, then you know what magic's about to happen. Let me see, let me get this out of the way. And I do want to say we got in at midnight last night, so we did spend the night. If you see any messes, the room was perfectly clean when we got in. It's just us exhausted from Hollywood Studios last night. I had to do Tower of Terror at night. I just had to. It's my favorite. But look at this. We even get some more friends who stay with us. Yeah, we've got Huey and Dewey and Louie, just tired from all the escapades. We got sports, music, and movies all represented in this mural, so it's really, really cool.
And if you look at this piece over here...
Yeah, I'm on the wrong side.
There's a secret Mickey hidden in there,
yeah.
Right over here.
It does cut back from the sides of the room, but as soon as everybody wakes up, gets dressed, it's time for breakfast right here. Super convenient, really easy. That was one hand up and down. So you've got the little one staying with you. You got to hold one and get the rest to bed. You can do it. Let's see. Some other great amenities to the room are this bad boy over here. You can brew 2 cups of your very own Joffrey's coffee here in the room because that is the complimentary coffee is Joffrey's. Let's see. Even the chairs have some, if you look at the bowling balls, it took a couple times. I'm pretty sure it's a hidden Mickey. See, and if you continue this way with me, there is an extra door. If you have a large party, you can do connecting rooms, which is nice. Lots of storage. I do like that it has lots of little nooks and crannies for you to toss your things. We just stayed one night, so we could live out of the suitcase, no problem. But if you're gonna stay a little bit longer, 3+ days, there's a full-on storage. I don't know how to say that.
There's ample storage for a long-term stay.
There's ample storage for a long-term stay. And so now we're in the bathroom. It's nice because if somebody needs to brush their teeth while you're using the restroom or taking a shower, you can close this bad boy up. Somebody can even change in here. So you have lots of chance for privacy. So anyway, moving into the bathroom. And then we've got our shower. Most of the showers here at the All-Star are going to be tubs, which is nice for when it's bath time with the kiddos. However, if you do need something to meet your mobility needs, I know firsthand that they do have walk-in showers. They're really great at adding and adjusting to whatever needs you need.
They take care of you here, for sure.
Yeah, so yeah, that's the inside of our room. There's lots of other great amenities here at the All-Star Music. We're at music today. We are staying in the country music one, which is called Country Fair. So we're the way back of the resort. It's the first time we've stayed in this building. I like it. It's nice and quiet. I like them all. The first one we stayed at was Calypso, which is right in the front. It's wonderful. There's a pool right there, but that's definitely vacation mode. You're coming for a little bit of relaxation. Not that you always get to stay in the rooms you get, but if you do somehow, I'd say stay further back in the resort. So it was really quiet last night. It's a beautiful day in the country fair here at All-Star Music. So we're gonna walk around and check out the ambiance. We haven't stayed at this area before, so this is pretty new to us. I love the bolos. You see him?
Probably a secret Mickey.
No. They just have a regular Mickey on them. You see the trucks up there? I never noticed those. The shade provides a lot of nice relief. Ooh, one of the giant locusts. You gotta get it. We're walking up on the piano pool. There are 2 pools here at this resort. There's one shaped like a guitar with, I think, the caballeros in them, the 3 caballeros. It's always so fun staying here. It's so cute. You know, the room also is got so many cute little touches. The AC works great. And if I get tired of you sleeping in bed with me, I can just pull down another bed. So you can get rid of you. These giant boots. They're so cute. For joining me here at lunch. Auntie and I are here at All Star Movies. We walked over from All Star Music because the really cool thing about all the All Star resorts is they're connected, and sometimes they do really fun scavenger hunts in between them, so definitely check those out. We have a video of that already somewhere else. We did it with Andy's mom a while back, and it was so much fun. I don't even think we went to the park that day. We just did the scavenger hunt. So if you're trying to save a little bit of money, you're already in the area, you don't even have to be staying at the resort. Just go to the lobby, ask them. Actually, I think that was in the shop. So go to the gift shop and ask them there. But anyway, we're over here having lunch. We haven't had lunch at this location in a while, and we also want to watch a movie. Over here in the corner, we got Wreck-It Ralph on. But let's get down to what we ate, because that's what you guys are probably interested in. Andy's food is gone. He was really hungry. He had a cheeseburger. That's what he ordered, but he actually had surprised with some bacon, so that was fun. I had one of the meals that they change every month, kind of depending on what's going on. But this is a part of the World of Voices here at Disney, and it's inspired by the Asian American Pacific Islander month that's happening right now. So I'm going to probably pronounce some of this incorrectly, so please correct me. But this is the pork sisig with noodles. It's citrus roasted pork with lo mein noodles, onions, peppers, chilies, and ginger butter sauce. It's really good. I'm a sucker for ginger, so I had to get this. I also have a pretty diverse palate, so I enjoy trying the different entrees that they have inspired from around the world. In total, this cost us $29. I know last night we had McDonald's and it was $34, so I think this is a much better quality and bang for your buck. We, however, did not get beverages. We bring our sodas from home usually, and I have my Joffrey's in the room, so I gotta start hydrating. We got Epcot coming up next. I got On the Guardians. We'll be doing that hopefully around 2 o'clock. That keeps getting backed up though, as it does. So we're gonna hang out here and try not to get burned. It's a beautiful day in Magic Kingdom. So we just got here. I just left my oops. We just got here and everything has like a 20-minute wait. So it should be a really fun day. And hopefully we're not in the sun too much because it's really hot. Hence the hat. So wish us luck. Our way to Adventureland. Heading first to Pirates of the Caribbean, one of our favorite rides. Not only have we seen all the movies, of course, but we also played the Pirates of the Caribbean version of Sea of Thieves. So we really geek out on this ride because to run from any fight, you cannot win. To win and fight, you cannot run from. To plunder treasure hand. To suck freedom with a hearty heart. To discourage this. I don't know. Yo. We rode 2 rides, so not, the most adventurous ride, but it is a steamer out there. Of course, we did Pirates of the Caribbean. It is one of our favorites. And then I got my, picked at Buzz Lightyear's Game Against Zurg. I never know the names, but I will be my Andy one day. I vow that. And thanks for joining us. Come along the ride. We'll be back tomorrow. I believe Animal Kingdom. So I'm excited for Pandora and Big Eddie ride. Make sure to like and subscribe. Outside of the house. I'm Sarah, and with me as always is my lovely, lovely Andy. Thanks.